Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm going to be doing some makeup for y'all, and to start off I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my face using my Nivea cream as usual. I already did my brows off camera, but here I'm just going over it on the top to clean it up a little bit. For foundation, today I'm going to be using my She Glam Foundation Balm, and I absolutely love this so much. This is a full coverage foundation that was sent to me by She Glam for a TikTok video a few weeks ago, but I tried this foundation and I love it. Like, when I tell you guys I love it so much. And when they say full coverage, y'all, they did not lie about that. It blends with my skin so well, and the shade that I'm using is Mahogany. I do have other foundations from them that I use. I've tried the foundation stick. I've tried that other one from the bottle that I squeezed out that you guys see me use all the time. I bought that one myself, but yeah, this one is my favorite of them all. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer by Too Faced Cosmetics. This is also another product that I really love, and when I'm not using it, I'm using my Tarte concealer. Those are the two main concealers that I use. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend out this concealer using my wet beauty sponge. So as I'm blending out the concealer under my eyes, I'm also bringing it up on my eyelid because I'm going to be adding some eyeshadow there. Next, I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty contour stick, and I'm going to apply that right on my cheekbone, as you can see there. And I also like to take it down to the bottom of my chin just to add some shadow there. And onto my forehead too. And sometimes I do my nose, but I actually didn't get that on camera today. But yeah, I did my nose after this. Okay, so next I'm going to set my face using my Sasha Buttercup setting powder. I first apply the setting powder onto the back of my hand before I apply it onto my face. And this will help me to control the amount that I'm putting on my face at one time. Next, I'm going to go in with my Huda Beauty setting powder, and this time I'm going to apply it under my eye to bake it, and this will ensure that my concealer stays in place all day. The eyeshadow palette that I'm going to be using is this one called Perception by Shayla and Colourpop. First, I'm going to go in with this orangey shade right here, and I'm going to use this as my transitioning color. And to apply this, I'm using a fluffy eyeshadow brush and I'm blending it all out. I'm also just applying it to my liking, so you could go ahead and apply whatever works for you. Next, I'm going to go in with this darker shade right here, and I'm going to apply it to the outer corner of my eye like you see me doing here, and I'm going to blend it in. And as you notice, with this shade I really don't need a lot. I only dip it one time and start blending it, and that was enough. Next, I'm going to go in with this really light shade right here, and I'm going to use my fingers first to apply it onto my eyelid. Next, I'm using the brush to apply some more of it and to get it more precise. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with my MAC finishing powder, and when I tell you I love this so much, I absolutely love it, and I'm gonna use it to dust off that setting powder I had sitting on my face, and I'm also gonna just layer it all over my face. Well, not layer, but I'm just gonna be putting it all over my face. These are the lashes that I'm gonna be using today, and I got these from AliExpress. Next I'm gonna go in with some blush, and this one is by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna be using this orangey tone that I'm touching right here. Right here I'm just using some of my setting powder to carve out my cheekbone a little bit and make it more defined. Next, y'all, I'm using this dark brown lip liner to line my lip before I apply my lipstick. The lipstick I'm using today is by NYX Cosmetic, and this one is called Attempts, and this is one of my favorite lipsticks from them. After I put the lipstick on, I like to go back over it with a little bit of concealer just to lighten it up a little bit in the middle. I don't do this all the time, but I do it a lot of time. I just really love the look. Now I'm gonna set my face using my Maven Beauty setting spray, and y'all know this is the only setting spray I use, except for nowadays I tried a milk setting spray, which is a matte setting spray. So yeah, it's either this or the milk setting spray, and I'm just speeding up the drying process by fanning it, and then I'm gonna go change and come back and show you guys the finished look. And this is it. This is what it looks like. I am so obsessed with this look. I look like a diva. Yes, and I'm just gonna embrace it right now. The wig I'm wearing, I got it from TikTok shop, and I did make a video of it, so if you're interested you could go back and check it out. But yes guys, let's get into this makeup look because I feel like it came out so good. And if I should get into this contrast makeup look that they're talking about now on TikTok, I would say I'm medium contrast after I did that little test thing. And so this is the reason why I did my makeup like this today, because I want to see what it will look like, and I feel like it came out so good. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.